Hello, hello. We got a couple requests to see some of our closures today. So I figured I would just get on live for a quick second and show you some of the different textures of lace closures that we have available right now. So these are all 14-inch closures and they are all our wavy texture. As you can see, it has a slightly different wave pattern, and they are lace closures that we, of course, pre-bleach the knots for you on, and all of our closure options are available on our website, magichaircompany.com. Everything is 20% off now at checkout. We do have closures available in lace only. We don't currently have any silk closures, and we pre-bleach the knots. There's baby hair around this perimeter here that you can easily pull out and style. It's easy and ready to go. We have our closures available. Our closures and frontals are available in silky straight, wavy, deep body wave, curly, kinky curly, and yaki straight. So go on over to magichaircompany.com. We do have free shipping available on our orders, or of course we have in-store pickup available. Let us know how we can further assist you at Magic Hair Company. Those of you that have been following me for 5+ years, you remember we got started with having the best closures in the game. So we've been bleaching these knots for over 10 years on these closures here. So if you want a closure that you can color, you can curl, it's going to last you for a long time, you can freely part it anywhere. Our closures are 4x4 and available on our website and in store. Let us know how we can help you guys. We do have different textures. We do not have any silk closures available, only lace at this current time, ladies and gentlemen. All right, we're getting off our live. We're currently open in store right now, Tuesday through Saturday, 10:30 to 6 p.m. Let us know how we can further assist you here at Magic Hair Company, your premium lace provider located here in Culver City, California, guys. All right, I'll see you later. Let us know if you have any questions. DM us, email us, call us, or come shop with us in store. Bye.